What is up, people? This is Kamlia, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, I am very much excited for this video because this is the first time I am making something like this. This is a gift guide for men. It might be your boyfriend, best friend, husband, your friend. Any of the guys will love any of these gifts. Trust me on this. So let's start. The first thing, the most important accessory a guy can own, a watch. So today I have two Casio watches for you guys. A Casio vintage watch from their vintage series and one of the most versatile watch anyone could have, and the second one is from Casio Enticer, the infamous Tiffany dial. And talking about this Casio vintage watch, this is one of the most budget friendly model you can ever buy from Casio. The MRP on this one is only 1695 rupees. That is mind-blowing price. And one thing I just want to tell you guys, that this suits on thin wrist, and for some reason I have a very thin wrist, and that is the reason it looks good on me. But if the guy has a huge wrist, this is probably not the one he can wear. You get a bigger model in the Casio vintage series as well. I'll link that in the description. And now talking about the Casio Tiffany dial Enticer, this is one of the most famous watch anyone could have in 2024. This was booming, people were reselling this, and yes, all the hype was worth it because this is a very beautiful watch, very pretty watch, a very versatile watch as well. And for the price it comes for, it is totally worth it because you can get this for 4,995, but on the Amazon sale right now it is going anywhere around 4,600, so you get a good discount as well. So good one. Now the second best thing you can gift a man. So the sneaker guy is making the video and I do not include a sneaker. That's not fair. So here is a Puma coat shattered low, and this is a pretty beautiful white sneaker. Yes, I believe every man must have a clean white sneaker in their closet, and that is because just one reason. It is the most versatile sneaker you could ever have. I know all the men are not at all a sneakerhead, but a man just loves a white sneaker. And talking about this one, this retails for 6,000 rupees, but right now it is going anywhere around 2,000 rupees, and that is a steal deal for a good looking white pair. So this is a full leather upper sneaker. It has that textured tumbled leather on it, a very minimal Puma branding on the back heel and on the tongue. And talking about the comfort on it, it is pretty decent. So I believe for 2,000 rupees, this is a great deal. Now the next product I want to show you guys is pretty different, and I never thought I would ever include this kind of product in any of my videos, but I am doing it because how important this is. It's a good leather duffel bag. This is an all black leather duffel bag from Lavie Sports, and a very useful bag for any man out there. Trust me on this, I never thought I would need a duffel bag in my life, but I was very wrong at this because this is such a useful bag. I can't explain you guys. This looks very masculine. This looks amazing, and this one fits my 4 sneaker in them. I am a UK 8 guy, and this bag fits my 4 sneaker. I have traveled with it. I know how useful it can be. And the most important thing, the MRP on this one is 3,000 rupees, but right now on Amazon it is going around 800 rupees. Like seriously, a leather duffel bag which you can convert into a side bag is only for 800 rupees, and that too this beautiful leather duffel bag. That's some crazy pricing, man. Okay, now the item I'm going to show you guys is one of the most important thing a man can own. They already have it, and they will need more, and they will need more and more and more. That is a blue denim. And what is better than a Levi's 511 blue denims? These are straight fit denims, which is not too baggy, which is not too slim. It just fits perfect. You can never go wrong while gifting a blue denim, and that to a Levi's 511, because this one has that classic fit. You can dress them up, dress them down, and nowadays people do crazy outfits with blue denims, and I am all over it. And yes, you can get all of this from Amazon's Great Republic Day sale, which is from 13th to 19th of Jan, and you can have 50 to 80% of discount on 1500 plus brands, and you can get same day delivery on 4 lakh plus products. That is crazy. So yes, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next in the next video. Peace.